All right, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to show you the easy way to replace this for when some Scrandy tries to steal your red H's off your RSX. This is a 02, 04 version. So let's get into it. It's going to take about 10 minutes. All right, first things first, gonna pop the hood here. Alright, now I'm sure you guys have seen this on another video, but we're going to pop this, and there's a clip missing there, but just get all these clips here, and then we're actually going to be able to just pull this forward and get at that. So I'm going to take those out, and I'll show you the next step. Alright guys, so we got all the clips out, and a lot of people like to pull the front bumper, but you don't have to. I'm going to show you. You could peel this forward, and if you look right there, you can see the back of the emblem now. Yeah, it's hard to get in there with a screwdriver. However, let's see, grab this out. You can get one of these at your local like hardware store. I got mine at Menards. I don't know if you guys have those around you, but it comes with a bunch of little bits like that. And in other tight spaces, you can throw a socket wrench in the back, but you can just get in the back and loosen it up. See, I already took the one off of here. Now let's open up the next one and we'll get it on. You already know we had to hit that eBay special here. Put it out. Alright. There it is. Got the two screw marks on the back. There we are. Alright, let me get a good angle here and I'll just record me putting it in and we'll be all set. Got the old Apple Watch. Alright, there we go. They do have to thread through the whole grill. One down, and cinch it back. There we go. All right. Now let's just get these clips in. Life's good. Pro tip, don't clip them back together, and give you a little easier time. There you go. And bam, we're done. There it is. Looks nice. And all thanks to that little guy. But there you have it, guys. Make your life easier. You don't have to take off your bumper. You don't really scrape up your hands or anything either. So yeah, hope you enjoy.